Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Math with Amala. Let's move to the part 3 which includes exercise 1.1. Question number 1 is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? Of course we can do because 0 by 1 which is equal to by Q where Q not equal to 0 because Q equal to 1. 0 by 1 is again 0. Now the second question, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So as we have done in the previous example, we can find the arithmetic mean of 3 and 4 that is 7 by 2. Again in between 3, 7 by 2 and 7 by 2, 4 we can have different kinds of other numbers. So let's have 3 plus 7 by 2 by 2 and also 7 by 2 plus 4 by 2. 6 plus 7 by 4 and 7 plus 8 by 4, 13 by 4 and 15 by 4. Again in between these two numbers, between 13 and 15 you have a whole number 14. So just give the same denominator, you will get 14 by 4. Otherwise you can say it in the simplest form 7 by 2 which is the same as the number that we have got just before. Okay, next one. Let's find some other numbers in between 13 by 4 and 7 by 2. So we can calculate it like 13 by 4 plus 7 by 2 by 2 and 15 by 4 plus 7 by 2 whole divided by 2. You will get 26 plus 28 by 8 into 2 and also 30 plus 28 divided by 8 into 2 which is equal to 26 plus 28 is 54 divided by 16 and also 58 divided by 16. So in between the 54 and 55 you have 56, 56, 57 with denominators 16. So you have got some numbers like 7 by 2, 13 by 4, 15 by 4 and also these three numbers 55 by 16, 56 by 16, 57 by 16, 58 by 16, 54 by 16 and all. So you can choose any 6 numbers from this set. Okay, next question, the third question, find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So let's take the rational numbers 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here you can see that the denominators are same even though we are having some numbers in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So let's take its mean by adding and dividing by 2. So you will get 7 by 5 divided by 2 that is 7 by 10. You will multiply that denominators together that is 10. Then you have got 3 by 5, 7 by 10 and 4 by 5. Again we can calculate this 3 by 5 can be converted to 6 by 10. So that is 6 by 10 and 7 by 10. Again that 4 by 5 can be converted to 8 by 10 just by multiplying by 2. Now let's take the mean of 6 by 10 and 7 by 10. You will get 60 plus 70 by 200 and also 70 plus 80 by 100 into 2. So this is again 130 by 200 and also 150 by 200. So we can see that there are 20 numbers in between these two numbers. You can choose any 5 among this. Any 5 numbers from 130 till 150 you can take. So 131 by 200, 132 by 200, 148 by 200, 149 by 200. You can choose any number from this. Now we have one more method as I have told in the example video. Let's take 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 and here we have 5 as the denominator. If we make this denominator same in another numbers, you can have different numbers in between. So take any number greater than the denominator. So greater than 5, you can take plus 1, 6 you can take, otherwise 7 can be taken, 8 can be taken, which should not be lesser. You cannot take 3 or 4, or you have to take only a number which is greater than 5. So multiply this both fraction with 7 by 7. I have taken here 7. So you have to multiply this both fractions or rationals with 7 by 7. So 3 by 5 into 7 by 7 is 21 by 35. Then again 28 by 35. Now the denominators are same, which means you are having some numbers in between these two numbers. 22 by 35, 23 by 35, 24, 25, 26, 27 divided by 35. So there are some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 numbers are in between. So you can choose any number, any 5 numbers in between. This can be chosen according to our choice. Okay. Next question, state whether the following statements are true or false. First question, every natural number is a whole number. Is it a true statement? Yes, it's true, because if we take any natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a whole number. It is contained in the whole number set. Next one, every integer is a whole number. Every z means 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2, any number. But whole number means what? It starts only from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only towards the positivity, but it doesn't have any negativity, so it's a false statement. The last statement is every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is of the form p by q, but in the whole number you can take any 2, 3 or any number. It is also in the form p by q, but its denominator, that q is always 1 in the case of w, but there are some rational numbers which are having denominators other than 1. So if it is like that, it is not true, hence it is false. Thank you all for watching the video. Let's stay tuned for the next video on irrational numbers.